Good day, viewers. Welcome to Fame Global Academy. My name is Chioma, and I'll be taking you mathematics. So first of all, I would like us to define mathematics. Mathematics can be defined as the study of numbers, patterns, symbols, and the relationship between different quantities. And mathematics also as a subject helps us to count, to measure quantities, and helps us also to solve real life situations, because you agree with me that in every day of our life you encounter mathematics in one way or the other. Even the market women, they do calculation, even almost everybody do calculation. So mathematics is a general subject that helps us in our real life situation. Okay, so with that being said, let's go to our topic for today, which is number-based system. Okay, so we have number-based system. Okay, so when we talk about number base, we are having how to convert numbers from base 10 to other bases, and we also have how to convert numbers from other bases to base 10. Okay, so but the one we are going to look at today is how to convert base 10 number to other bases. Conversion of base 10 number to other bases. Conversion of base 10 numbers to other bases. Okay, so we have example 1. Example 1 says we should convert 99 base 10 to base 5. Convert 99 base 10 to base 5. Okay, so let's solve solution. So when you are converting any number base 10 to other bases, it is very simple. All you need to do is use the base you are converting to divide the number. So we are converting 99 base 10 to base 5. So we are going to use this 5 to divide 99. Alright, so we are converting 99 base 10 to base 5. So this is how we do our solving. You put your 99 here and you put 5 here. So we are using this 5 to divide this 99. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you take the numbers one by one. So 9 divided by 5, that will give us 1. Remainder 4. So you can put the 4 here, that will give you 49. So 49 divided by 5, that will give you 9 remainder 4. 9 remainder what? 4. So make sure you write down your what? Your remainder. Okay. Now let's use. We are using 5 again to divide. 5 divided by 19. We have 3. Remainder 4 again. Because 3 times 5 will give you 15. So you write 5 divided by this will give us 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So when you subtract 15 from 19, you have remainder what? 4 again. Now you will now use this 5 again to also divide this 3. So 5 divided by 3. Now anytime you are dividing with a number that is smaller than the number you are using to divide, just know that your answer will be 0 remainder the number, because 3 is smaller than 5. Is that taken? So when you use 5 to divide 3, it will be 0 remainder 3. So we are done. Once you get 0 here, that is the end of the solving. So now how do we get our final answer? So what you do, you read your answer from down here up. So you put an arrow. So your answer will be 3, 4, 4. So you say therefore 99 base 10 is equals to what? 344 base 5. So this is our answer. 99 base 10, when you convert it to base 5, it will be 344. So always take note, once you finish your division, you read your answer from down up, and that will give you your answer. 344, not 443, 344, from down up. So that's our answer. 99 base 10 is equals to 344 base 5. So that's example 1. So let's go to example 2. Say convert 128 base 10 to base 8. Okay, so solution, you roll your number, your line as usual, then you write your 128. Remember I said you divide with the base you are converting to. So we are converting to base 8, so we are dividing by what? 8. Okay, so let's go. Now, 128 divided by 8. First of all, take 12. 12 divided by 8 will give us what? 1. Remember what? When you subtract 1 times 8 is 8. 8 minus 12 will give you 4. So remember 4. So you put the 4 here. It will now be what? 48. Okay? But remember to clean the 4. Then you use 8 again to divide 48. 8 divided 48 will give you 6. There is no other remainder. So you clean it up. So our answer is 16 remainder 0. So if there is no remainder, remember to put that 0. The 0 is also needed. Okay? Alright, so let's continue. You use 8 again. 8 into 16. That will give you 2. Remainder 0 again. Are we together? Okay. Now use 8 again to divide. 8 divided by 2. Just like I said in example 1. Once the number you are using to divide is smaller than the number that is dividing it, just know your answer will be 0, remainder the number, which is 2. Okay, so 8 divided by 2 cannot, you write your 0 to remainder the what? The 2. And also, you read your answer from down up. So you put your arrow. So here, your answer is therefore 128 base 10 is equals to, from here, 200. 200 base what? Base 8. So this is our answer for example 2. Okay, so let's take example 3. Okay, so let's take another base. Say convert, example 3 now. Convert 119 base 10 to base 4. Okay, so we have solution. These are our 119 and these are our 4 we're using to divide. Okay, so 4 divided by 11, that will give us 2. 2 times 4 is what? 8. 8 minus 11 will give us 3. So you have 3 here, which is 39. So you say 39 divided by 4, that will give us 9 remainder 3. 9 remainder 3. So when you are done, remember to clean this number because it's not part of it. Alright, so let's continue. We use 4 again. 4 divided 29, that will give us 7 remainder what? 1. Because 7 times 4 will give us 28. 28 minus 29 will have 1 remaining. So you use 4 again. 4 divided by 7, that will give us 1 remainder what? 3. Yes, 1 remainder 3. Then you go again. 4 into 1. 1 is smaller than 4, so your answer will be 0 remainder this 1. Alright, so once you get 0, that's the end of the solving. So you take your arrow as usual from here up. So your answer will be 1, 3, 1, 3. So you say therefore 119 base 10 is equals to 1, 3, 1, 3 base what? 4. Alright, so this is example 3. Okay, now example 4 4 is going to be a different example. We are going to be converting base 10 to a binary number, which is also called base 2. Alright, so let's go to example 4. Alright, example 4 says convert 35 base 10 to base 2. Or you can say convert 35 base 10 to binary. In case the question comes like that, just know that we are talking about base 2 because binary numbers are base 2 numbers. Okay, so we are converting 35 base 10 to base 2. So let's solve solution. This is our 2 and this is our 35. Okay, so 2 divided by 35, that will give us what? 2 into 3 is 1. Remember 1, add the 1 here, we have 15. 2 into 15 is what? Is 7. Okay, remember what? 7 times 2 is 14. 14 minus 15 is 1. So we have remember what? 1. Okay, so you clean this one. Now, 2 into 17, write the 2 again. 2 into 17, that will give us 8. 8, remember what? 8 times 2 is 16. 16 minus 17 is 1. So we also having remember 1. 2 will go again. 2 into 8, that will give us 4. Remember 1. Sorry, remember 0. There is no remember here. 2 into 8 is 4, remember 0, yes. Then we go again, 2. 2 into 4 will give us 2, remember 0. 2 again, 2 into 2 will give us 1, remember 0. Then 2 again will go into 1, that will now give us 0, remember 1. So once you get 0 here, that's when you stop. You keep dividing till you get 0. Okay, so 2 into 1 will give us 0, remember what? 1. So like what we have been doing is you read your answer from down up. So our answer will be 1000011. Okay, so it says therefore 35 base 10 is equal to 100011 base 2. 100011 base 2. So that's our answer for example 4. Okay, so let's take another example, example 5, still under this binary. So let's take example 5. Convert 72 base 10 to binary. Okay, I decided to use this different question. So when you see something like this, convert 72 base 10 to binary, it means base 2. Okay, so the other say convert 72 base 10 to binary or to base 2. Once you hear the word binary, we are talking about base 2. So we are going to use 2 to divide. Alright, so let's solve solution. We have our 72 here and we have our 2. Okay, so 2 into 72, 2 into 7 will give us 3. Remember 1, put the 1 here, you have what? 12. 2 into 12 will give us what? 6. Is there any remember? No. So you have remember 0. Okay, so you clean this one. So let's continue. 2 into 36. 2 into 3 is what? 1. Remember what? 1. Put the 1 here, that's 16. 2 into 16 will give us what? 8. Remember what? 0. You clean the 1. So let's go. 2 into 18, we have what? 9. Remember what? 0. Okay, we have 9, remember 0. So let's continue. 2 into 9, we have 4. Remember what? 1, because 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 9 is 1. Okay, Let's go again. 2 into 4, we have 2, remainder 0. 2 into 2, we have 1, remainder 0. And the last one, 2 into 1, we have 0, remainder 1. So our answer, you read it up. So this is 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. So you say therefore 72 base 10 is equals to 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 base 2. So that was our answer for example 5. Alright, so let's take one more example to complete it. Example 6, still under binary number. Okay, example 6. Convert 31 base 10 to base 2. Okay, so if you see the way I'm twisting the question, the example 4 was convert to base 2. The example 5, I say convert to binary. And this one I say convert to base 2. Just know that they mean the same thing. We are using 2. Anytime you have base 2 or binary, we are talking about 2. Okay, so we have solution. These are our 31 and these are our 2. Okay, so 31 divided by 2. First of all, 3 divided by 2 give us 1, remainder 1. So we have 11 here. 2 into 11, that will give us what? 5. Remainder what? 1. So 31 divided by 2 is 15, remainder 1. Okay, let's go again. 2 into 15, that will give us 7. Remainder what? 1. Because 7 times 2 is 14. 14 minus 15 will give us what? 1. Okay, 2 again will go. 2 into 7 will give us 3. Remainder what? 1. Because 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 7 will give us 1. So we'll go again. 2 into 3 is 1. Remainder 1. Then 2 go again. 2 into 1 is what? 0. Remainder what? 1. So our answer, you read it from up, from down to up. So it's 1 1 1 1 1. You say therefore 31 base 10 is equal to 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 base what? 2. Alright, so that's our answer. So we're going to give you assignments. We're going to do the assignment and submit it in the comment section. So our assignment says okay, so we have convert 569 base 10 to base 8. This is question 1. Then question 2, convert 65 base 10 to base 2. Okay, so this number 1 question has to do with example 1, 2, and 3. While this number 2 question is like example 4, 5, and 6. Alright, so you do this assignment and submit it in the comment section. Okay, so the summary of today's class, just like we started with definition of mathematics and we did the number-based system, converting from base 10 to other bases. And anytime you are converting from base 10 to other bases, it is that base you are converting to, that's what you use to what? To divide. And you divide till you get an answer 0. Once you get an answer 0, you stop. Okay, and secondly, remember to write your remainders, because it is your remainders that is your answer. So anytime you have a remainder, whether it's 0 or 1 or any number, make sure you write it down, because at the end of your solving, you are going to read from down up, and it is your remainder that is what you will write down. That is what will give you your answer. Okay, so make sure you study it very well. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you are confused about anything, you can ask in your comment section. And please, when you are doing your division, make sure you are very careful. Know the remainder, because if you make mistake in any of the remainder, you miss the answer. When you are supposed to write 2, if you write 3 there, your answer will no longer be correct. So make sure you bring yourself down and do your division properly and know your answer and your remainder. Alright, so that is all for today. This is your assignment. Make sure you do it and submit it in the comment section. Thanks for today's class. See you in our next class. I remain your teacher, Chioma. Bye.